Hi everybody, hope everyone's doing good. I am back and ready to do some videos for you. So I'm kicking it off with an unboxing. So if you like those kind of videos, please keep watching. Zena's here with me to kick off this video. Can you say hi to everybody? She's ready to go already. Okay, Wyatt's here too. Can you say hi? Say hi to everybody. Yes? Okay. So for today's video, I have a FabFitFun style box unboxing for you. And these unboxings are always fun because I never know what I'm going to get. And it's probably partially my fault. I don't give them a lot of instructions as to what to give me. I filled out the initial style profile and I really haven't given a ton of additional information as to what I'm looking for. So I do give feedback on all the items that I've gotten, but I don't really ask for anything whatsoever. And FabFitFun style box was in beta, and I'm not sure if they're still testing it out or if anyone can sign up. But I know for the last couple of times I have put in my comment section the email address where you can just email them and ask them if you can get included in the program now, and I believe that you can. So it is a subscription style service. You can do it as often or as little as you like. There's a $20 styling fee, and I believe you get 5 items, and if you do keep all 5, you do get a discount. So I've had the same stylist from the very beginning. I believe her name is Kendra. We'll double check. And let's see. So my stylist is Marissa, and I'm pretty sure my stylist has been Kendra all along. So I have a new stylist this time, I'm pretty sure. Here's the inside of my box. They do give you a bag to return anything you don't want to keep. She does give me some information here, which I'm not going to read because it looks like she explains what the items are. You do get a price sheet, which we will look at the end. So, and you get free shipping both ways. So here is my bundle. Looks like fall stuff. Okay. First up, feels like velour here. I love Stitch. It's a top. That's interesting. So it is somewhat see-through. Looks like it has a little tie front here. And yeah, it's buttoned down. It's got it's see-through with these little velour patches. So that's different. Little kimono sleeve. All right. Next up is by Lazy Sundays. And it is another little tie front top. This one's not see-through. It's very soft, has that waffle knit in a mauve color. Okay. Next up, which I hope is not a tie front top, is by Lily Sidonio, Molly Bracken. I'll show you the label there. And this looks like a cardigan, I think. This is very soft. So this is a very long cardigan in black. That's nice. Basic wardrobe staple, right? Okay. Next up is fur. So this is a vest it says Jack by BB Dakota. And let me see, it's just a fur-lined hood. The inside of the vest is not fur-lined. It's in black. It's got the little gathered waist. This is cute. It's quilted. Looks very warm. Okay, and last is a pair of black corduroys it says Diana, cut from the cloth, black corduroys. And these are in a skinny fit. And I have not tried cut from the cloth corduroys before. I generally stay away from corduroys, so I'll be interested to see what these are like. They do have some major stretch to them, so they should be good. they should be good fits. All right, so let's read my stylist note. It says, hello, Laura. Welcome back to FabFitStyle. It was a pleasure to style you as always. Thank you so much for keeping your Pinterest up to date. I love your fall style inspiration and hope you can feel it coming through this box. For some FabFit looks, I started you with our Diana Corduroy Skinny. These are cool, versatile, and go with everything for a day at the rink. Wear them with the Waffle knit button down and the Faux fur puffy vest. The velvet kimono top is such a pretty, perfect piece for the seasons ahead. Wear it with the Dianas and boots or heels for a fab night out. The Molly cardigan is a perfect piece to finish any look. This piece adds a luxe element to any look and is so versatile you can wear it to the rink and to nice dinners. Wear it over tops and dresses. You will look and feel so fabulous no matter where you are headed. I cannot wait to hear your feedback. Please let me know if there are any pieces or styles you are on the hunt for. Hope the rest of your day is extra stylish. Marissa. Okay, so she did check out my Pinterest board. She does remember I spent a lot of time at the rink with my son. And I'm looking at, I did not look at the individual prices. We'll save that for the very end. But the total for everything was $323. If I kept, the keep all discount is $80.75 plus minus the $20 styling fee. The total for all of these pieces would be $222, which is not a bad price for all 5 of these items actually. Okay. So let's see what they look like on. I'll be right back. Okay, so here are the first 2 items. The waffle knit top, which I have to say is very, very comfortable. And the cut from the cloth corduroys, which are also very comfortable. And I like them better than I had expected that I would. They are very cute. They fit very well. I have my typical little bit of room here in the waist, but aside from that, I think they fit pretty well. And the length is pretty good. Very cute. Yeah, and the swaffle knit top's very comfortable. I'm not sure how I feel about the tie, but it's not bad. The sleeves are a little bit long for me, but that's normal. I think it's supposed to be a little loose fitting. She had suggested putting it on with the vest, so let's do that. Let's see what this looks like. It does have pockets. So the vest fits well. It's very cute. I like the little fur lining. Yeah, it's a cute little vest. Okay, let's try on the next top. Okay, here is this Love Stitch kimono sleeve tie front top. And the colors in this are very pretty, and it has this little shine to it as well as the see-through areas. So it's very different, and it's just pull on over your head. And I do have a tank top on underneath it since it's so sheer, but it's actually very pretty. I can see why she picked it for, you know, for a night out, I guess. But I think you can wear it anywhere. It's very pretty. I'm just not sure how I feel about this tie. And I don't know what you could do with it aside from tying it. So I tied it in the front here because look how long it is. If you don't tie it, what else can you do with it? I don't know if you could you side knot it maybe? I don't know if I'm very good at here. What does that look like? Looks like maybe you could tie it over here on the side for a different look. I can't even tell what that looks like. Is that worse or better? I'm not sure. I think it might be worse. All right, and the last item is this black cardigan. Which is nice and long. I wonder if I could tuck this in. Maybe I could do that. I'm going to be messing with this. Could I do a front tuck with this maybe? Then what do I do with my tank? I'll tuck everything in. Too much fabric. Maybe I could do something like that with it. I could play with this. I could do a front tuck. Okay, maybe we could do that. All right, sorry guys, I think I'm like muttering to myself. I hope you can hear me. Anyway, maybe a front tuck with this top would work as well for something. Then you get rid of that tie altogether. Okay, and this cardigan I think is very nice. It's actually very well made, and the feeling of it is very soft. I like it. Okay, I'll be right back with a quick wrap up. Okay, so let's go over prices and let's go over these items. All right, so first up is the corduroys, which surprisingly I liked. I thought they fit really well. They're soft, and these are the Diana Skinny Corduroy from Cut from the Cloth, and they were $89. So I actually liked them. So these are my maybe pile right now, and this box came in while I was on vacation, so I have to do a quick turnaround. So I'm going to try to hurry up and get this video posted as quick as I can so you guys can let me know what you thought. What looked good, what didn't look good. Should I keep it all? Should I just keep it one item? What do you guys think? So next up was this top. So this is the Velvet Floral Kimono Sleeve Blouse, and it was $58. So after trying it with the front tie, the side tie, and the front tuck, I actually think I like the front tuck better. And this wasn't a bad top. It's actually kind of interesting, kind of cute. I don't mind the colors. What did you guys think? It's $58. So it's also my maybe pile. The black cardigan, which is the Molly knitted cardigan, and it is $62. And I liked this. It was by Molly Bracken, Lily Sidonio, and it was an extra small. The top is a small, and the Diana skinny jeans are a 2. Just so you guys know sizing. So this one I really liked. I think it would be a great staple for me. I'm always looking for a black cardigan to put over top of an outfit. Like, it's a great basic for me to have, and I don't really have a nice longer black thick cardigan right now. So this I'm actually thinking of keeping. So it's $62, and with my $20 styling fee it'd be $42 to keep it. So if I kept nothing else, I'm thinking about keeping this cardigan. Okay, the Waffle knit button long sleeve top. It's also in a small, $42. This was okay. It's comfy. I just didn't love it. It's just an okay item. So if I were keeping all 5, then I would keep it, right? Because it'd be worth it. This little vest was cute too. I really liked this little puppy vest too. The Hey Ya Faux Fur Puffer Vest. It was $72. And it was by Jack by BB Dakota. Oh, so I liked it as well. It's going in my maybe pile. I thought it was different and it was cute, and I don't own anything like this. I'm not real big on puffer vests, so I don't generally buy them on my own. But I actually thought this one was cute. So I almost feel like I either keep the cardigan or I keep everything because of the prices, right? And the one thing I really didn't love was this. I mean, oh, decisions, right? Okay. Yep. Okay, so that means I need your help. What did you guys think? What did everything look like? Did it look good on? Did it not look good on? What should I do? Should I just keep the cardigan so it's a good staple piece, or should I keep all 5? So again, the total was $323. The buy all discount is $80.75 minus the $20 styling fee would be $222 to keep everything. Or I would pay $42 to just keep the cardigan, which is, I think, the most basic staple piece in here. And then my next top favorites were probably the corduroys and the puffer vest. The two tops were, you know, okay. And the corduroys were $89 and the puffer vest was $72. So at that point, it would be stupid not to just keep it all and get the discount, right? Okay, so I actually thought this was probably my best FabFitFun style box that I've received in quite some time. There was one other one that had some cut from the cloth items in it, and I really liked it too. But this was a really good box for me. I think they got much closer to my style here. So Marissa did a great job. So I will put the information on these items down below in case you want to check any of them out, as well as the email address if you'd like to give FabFitFun style box a try. I hope you liked this video. Please comment below. Let me know what you think. If you did enjoy the video, give me a like. I'd really appreciate it. If you could hit that subscribe button and show me some support, I would appreciate that as well. If you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. Hope everyone has a great day. Till next time, bye. My sleepy sidekicks say bye too. See you guys.